So next we'll be displaying our dynamic functionalities. So in dynamic functionalities, we have two types of functionalities. One is the emergency functionalities and the second is the scenario functionalities. So these emergency functionalities are the functionalities that kick in when there is an emergency situation. And the specialty of these emergency functionalities is that whatever emergency functionality decides to do is the ultimate. So the user can't alter that those functionalities by operating through the application. So we have implemented two types of emergency functionalities. One is during a gas leakage situation, and another is a high temperature situation. So the and about the normal scenario functionalities, we have implemented three functionalities. One is the daytime functionality, another is the nighttime functionality, and another is the power savior functionality. So I'll be explaining and so displaying each of these functionality right now. Stop.
One of the scenarios in our dynamic functionalities is during daytime, if there is no one at home and the lamp is switched on and the motion sensor detects that there is no presence of anyone at home or the room, then it will automatically take the decision to turn off the light, seeing that the light is switched on. So in this process, we will save the power also. This operation in turn acts as a power saver. So let me demonstrate this operation now. So to start this, let me first switch on the light. The lamp is currently off. So I will switch the lamp on. Here we go. Let me switch on the light now to start the demo for this scenario which I explained.
Go.
Let me start the demo of this scenario I just explained. The lamp is currently off. I'll start by switching on the light. So the light is on now. You can see the light detector is currently not detecting any light. That means it shows the atmosphere around it is, or the area around it is dark. So I will just switch on the motion sensor. I have just blocked the motion. Now the motion sensor will be active. You can see that the motion has been detected. So now if as per the scenario, if someone is at home and hey, motion sensor ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. Okay, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. Okay, so when someone is not at home, the motion sensor shouldn't detect anything. To simulate this scenario, I'll be now cutting off the motion sensor by using this obstructor. So you can see motion has it has stopped detecting the motion. So now the lamp is still on, and now if I switch on the torch and trigger a light, the lamp switched off. You can see the lamp switched off as soon as it detected that it is daytime and there is no one at home. To save the power, it automatically switched off the lamp. So I will again show this scenario.
Let me show again.
Okay, let me show this scenario again. The light is switched off and the light detector is not detecting any light source on it. So as you can see on the web app, the background is dark, which shows that it's night time. Now if I put a source on the light source on it, as you can see the GUI changed to the background changing to brick one. So this shows that it's the daytime. I have blocked the motion sensor, so it will not be detecting any motion. And then now let me switch on the light to okay, let me switch on the light. The lamp is switched on, and then now if I put the light source on the sensor, it has to switch off. Lamp switched off. So this is the scenario, power saving scenario during daytime. One more feature in our dynamic functionality scenario is during daytime, if there are people in the home or in a particular room, and our motion sensor detects detects the presence of people, and if the window is closed, the motion sensor, upon detection of the people or presence of people in the room, it will direct the window to open so that to facilitate ventilation. So I will be demonstrating this feature now. As you can see, the window is closed, and then in the GUI also the status of the window is closed, and the motion sensor, I have blocked the motion sensor detection now, so it will not be sensing anything, and the light detector is also not detecting anything, so it will be a night scenario. Now if I provide a light source, then it will daytime, and then now I will be triggering the motion. The motion sensor will detect the motion now. The window has now opened. You can see the status of the window open. Now again I will give a demo on this. Let me recreate the scenario again. I will stop the light, and then I will block the motion no, let the motion be there. So window is closed now, and the daylight sensor is not sensing anything. Once I put a light source on this, it will, and the motion sensor detects the presence of people. It will trigger the opening of the window. Let me show this. See, so you can see the window being opened.
Among our dynamic functionalities, one more scenario functionality is the nighttime functionality. So it is desirable during the nighttime that if there is somebody at home and and it is the night, then we always desire that the windows should not be open during the night time. So we will be closing the window when they, if we detect that it's night and there is nobody no, somebody at home. So we'll be, so right now what happens is it is detecting that it is night. So let me first open the window so that it will be detected that the windows are open. So during the night, so now this there is no light on the light sensor, and there is no motion. So I'll be triggering motion, and this will trigger that the window would be closed. So now the motion is triggered, and the window is closed. So you can see that the window is closed. So let me recreate this scenario. So now I'll be opening this window. So window is right now open, and now I'll be creating motion. So when there is motion, the window closed. So the window also here it closed. So this shows a nighttime functionality. Okay, another dynamic functionality that we have is during the nighttime functionality is that during the night it is desirable that as soon as we enter the room, that the smart light will find out that we are here and it switches on by itself. This is desired only during the night when there is no light. So now here we will be right now the light is switched off, and there is the light in the surroundings which says that it is day, and there is no motion detected because we have cut off the motion. So now I'll be creating the night by removing the light from the light sensor. So I have removed the light from the light sensor, and it is even shown here that it is during the night, and now I'm entering the room. So as soon as I enter the room, the light is switched on. So this is a nighttime functionality we have displayed. Stop.